What's up, guys? Don't mind the garage. It's a complete shit show. It is a work in progress. Mainly the workbench. It's terrible. Anyway, I bought one of these things off the TikTok shop. And I haven't been able to test it out yet, but I've seen all the tests. I know how it's going to work. Actually, I did test it out, but I didn't test it out on the tire. Long story. Yeah, so I'm going on a ride today. I've been meaning to film a little video of this, but I think everybody needs to have one of these. My goal for today is to see, when I take it out, if it'll fit under the seat of the SV650 with the other existing crap that I have in there, because I don't want to wear a backpack or any of that crap. So we're gonna see how that goes right now. Here's the item. Let's unbox it. 1, 2, 3. Boy, unboxing sure was easy. Awesome. Let's take it and see if it fits. All right, seat's off. Seeing as I have a lot of nonsense under my seat right here, I think it's gonna fit right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it in my towel, dusting towel, because I like to keep everything clean. I'm gonna wrap it in my towel, like so. And then I'm gonna put that seat on there, or preferably with both hands, but we'll see if we can get that on there. Anyway, let's take that out of there, because now that's not gonna fit anymore. Let's be honest, I kept that thing with me just in case I needed to silence it. I've never had to put it in, and I don't want to put it in. So anyway, let's see if this fits. Okay, keep my manual there. And take my seat. Make sure it gets lined up there. Yes, and then pop that right there. Oh. And the seat closes. I now have an air pump with me. So those are pretty tight quarters under there. But yeah, the air pump fits. That is amazing. That right there is a purpose to get one, just to have for emergencies. So I will have to do a more in-depth review of it at a later date. But for now, we've all seen them work. They're all over the TikTok shop. And I know it works. I've already turned it on and all that other stuff and charged it. So the fact that it fits under the seat, it has your little valve stem and everything else that you need with it. So if you haven't bought one yet, get one, because if it fits under there, freaking it's gold in my book. So anyway, I got a ride that I'm going on. See you later.